Get ready to be wowed as we venture into the world of exhilarating entertainment and showmanship. It was a day like no other at the Legian Beach festival in Bali, where the beach met the flair of bartending like never before. "623 talented bartenders, masters of mixology and acrobatics, coming together to create a spectacle that will leave you breathless." The crowd watched in awe as these artists behind the bar shook, spun, and flipped their way into the record books. Flair bartending is not just about mixing drinks, it's about crafting a performance that keeps the audience engaged and entertained. All thanks to the incredible efforts of the Bali Indonesian Bartender Association and Vodka, this event now holds a prestigious place in the Asia Book of Records. So join us in raising a glass to these incredible bartenders who have shown us that mixing drinks can be an art form in itself. Stay tuned for more astounding global records right here on the Asia Book of Records YouTube channel.